My name is Matt Baker, co-owner and operator of Baker Sign and Manufacturing, based out of Conroe, Texas. While the business has grown exponentially over the last 15, 20 years, we've really tried to stay deep rooted within what we're all here for and try to keep our why as real as possible, and not only at the upper management executive ownership level, but also from an employee perspective. Again, staying rooted within our values in that regard.
So I met Baker Signs back in 2019, 2020 timeframe. At the time, we decided that the CR Ontrude M Series would be a perfect fit for what they were looking to do. Since then, they've grown and expanded another 20,000 square foot onto their facility. They've added a few more pieces of equipment and really seen a lot of rapid growth just in the last couple years.
We started out originally as an installation and service company, right? Most of our clients were that of other sign companies. Over the last 15, 16 years, we have evolved into a one-stop sign shop, right? We take it from conceptual design through permitting, engineering, manufacturing, installation, as well as maintenance. We kind of hold our head high within where we're at today. There's probably less than 2% of the business that we do that we outsource. Everything that we handle in-house with our personnel, with our equipment, but that was something that was developed over a course of time.
So Pioneer's goal is not just to sell you a machine. Our goal is to learn more about your process, learn how we can help you, learn how we can improve for the future. 90% of what we do is learning about your business and learning about how you do your day-to-day work and what your future is. The 10% is Pioneer Machine Sales. That is not what we are, that's not who we are. We're manufacturers, we understand business, we understand machinery, and that's what we're here to help you and help our customers improve their process.
Specifically with Pioneer, where they came in, we were talking to several different companies at the time looking for a new CNC machine. We had an existing CNC machine that we were looking to replace, and really Pioneer's kind of broad perspective overview within being able to come in and what we had verbalized to them of what we thought we needed at that time in terms of a traditional CNC router for the industry. They said, that's good and we understand that, but let me show you what the full capabilities, what the full possibilities are, right? And some of that was untraditional for the industry as a whole, I would say, for that time period, or even for now. But what that in essence gave us the ability to do was, and kind of what we were talking about earlier is, like we've been able as a company to grow into the machine that we got. Whereas the machine that we thought that we were looking to get at that time, it would have been able to keep up with the magnitude of work that we were doing. But fast forward 3-4 years later, and we still have the ability to grow with the technology that we'd invested in at that time. So I think really with Pioneer, what stood out to us was not a company that's just going to sell you something, right? Because if that was the case, they would have sold us specifically what we had asked for and what we thought we needed at that time. Really a company that kind of takes that, again, that broad perspective, that high level look into the business, be able to forecast what the business's needs and wants are, not only in the short term, but in the long term as well.
So if you want to take the risk on not investing in machines and new technology, that's a bigger risk than it is on investing in new technology. You need to invest in new technology because it's going to move you to that next stage. It's going to move you to that next level.
We really want somebody that is that's a partner, right? That is in us with this for the long haul, through that's willing to take the good with the bad in essence, but to really surround yourselves with the best possible people and the best possible companies that you can at any given time.